Hello, everybody. I'm just doing a quick tutorial on the updates to the PNGtuber system now that I have a multiple streamer setup going. You can now go to, sorry, I've almost went over here, session, as opposed to you have normal states, audio, layers, everything. But now you have a session tab. And session tab, you can prep your name. So you can host 8 people in one go to have a room. Right now, I'm just doing it as local, so you can have a local server set up with all people like on your same network, or you would change this to your external IP. I think you can also just give them your external IP to connect to you. Make sure you have a port set up within the ranges that aren't unused. Port forward them for TCP UDP. Then you have a start local relay. Guest needs your public IP with the port forwarded to start the relay. You're going to click a little allow because uh, Windows is Windows. It clicks OK. So then once you start the relay is running, you can click host a session, and you'll get invite code. You'll see this little window pops up. You can see the right click and you can hide the avatar. If you want to show it again, you just go back here, make avatar visible, yada yada. But you need this code right here. It's invite code, changes so nobody can double up. You would copy the invite code, send it to a friend, and then your friend would have to put it in the session. So we're going to switch over to the other display real quick. All right. Now here you'll see that we have not Kyle. This one not connected, no sessions running, but we're keeping it local because it's just running the local session right now, and I have no way to do like my laptop and stuff. So here we will paste, and you will see join session option. Now, once you do that, go back over here, boom, you see, well, once you join your session, you click allow, and then we have a window. And in this window, let me move stuff out the way here. Oh my God, there's so many. I don't know which one's whose. I think this one's for the other one. But you'll see that they're both using the same mic right now. But they have can I make this compact? Oh, hide. They both respond, and at the bottom you will have an option for guests on the left, guests on the right. Normally you can scale. So, somebody's bigger, somebody's smaller. You can switch so you would be in the center. If you have multiple people, it kind of splits them left, right. Guest right, guest left. You can set the distance between avatars. You can show names. It's little. I gotta work on this text. I don't really like text too much. If you're streaming together, you should know this, who each other are. That's something a future thing. Once this is in OBS, you can just click the session visible down here, and boop, goes away. You can see it on your desktop. It's still there. OBS still picks it up. Then say you're done. You're like, oh, cool, yeah, the session's over. We don't want to do this no more. Still working on this part right here. Lookup doesn't do anything. It's just doesn't completely clear out. So you want to get rid of this person. Like, oh yeah, this is not Kyle person. I just want to kick them, and you would kick selected. If you say update your states, say you want to change over, boom, you just click it and it works. And then for the other person on the other side, it will change as well. Oops, she's back. But you can swap states around, automatically updates, and it has up to 8 people. So with that being said, try it out, test it out, let me know how it goes. I've tested in Discord with friends, multiple states away, different time zones, and the latency is low enough that it's near instantaneous, like the movements of the mouse and everything. There is a slight compression that happens with the PNGtubers just for data purposes to make sure that we're not sending too much data to somebody and having to come back. Yeah. But let's say you didn't want the person in here anymore, you can go ahead and kick them. Boom, they're gone. It's just you in the little room by itself. So if you have somebody that comes in, you're like, I'm gonna mess with you, haha, teehee, and you can just boop boop. And then the other person on their end would see, boom, you were removed by the host. And then they're just left with the normal PNGtuber. The session is closed. If you're done with the session, you can then just at the very tippy top end leave session. That closes it. It's no longer running, and then you can just bring your normal state back up. Those of you who are using the normal PNGtuber software will notice that this bar is new. It's so you can keep it there, so you can move around easier, and you can always have your little woo. These are not visible in OBS. Only your actual avatar window is. These are external on top. So with that being said, yeah, if you have any issues, feel free to reach out. Twitch.tv/Kyle Alamode. And as I say on all my streams, keep cool, stay calm, and have a great day.